atmosphere. Everybody's going there this year, and there's a reason. The season opened last July. Ever since the USA went dry, everybody's going there, and I'm going too. I'm on my way to Cuba. That's where I'm going. Cuba, that's where I'll stay. Cuba, where wine is flowing, and where those dark Estelas light their fellas, Panatellas. Cuba, where all is happy. Cuba, where all is gay. Why don't you plan a wonderful trip to Havana? Hop on a ship and I'll see you in CNDA. Why don't you do your drinking like a Cuban instead of hiding in a cellar? Since Prohibition, tell me, how have you been? A very frightened little fella. Why don't you pour it from a bottle instead of a tiny silver flask? Drink your Scotch, rum, or gin where the dries can't get in. The finest bars are there, cigars are there that only